Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to add a border. So if you want to add border in Microsoft Word, you can go to the sign and then click on page border. To be shown for the borders and settings dialog box. And in here you can click at these points to add border, and then you can click OK to apply. So it will be create border as a line like this. Next, if you want to change, you can click again page borders, and I will change for the styles. You can scroll down to see more styles. So I will select these styles. You can set for the width. This is for the art. You can choose the art if you want, and I will use the default. You can click OK again, and the border will be automatically changed. I click again page border, and I will use these styles. Click OK again. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to add a border. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.